Start.
Yeah, we need to hear the meanest thing. I
need
live
to put a little
here.
bit over here to balance it out.
I'm not kidding. It looks like I live in.
No, you just need to, yeah, don't fill them up all the way because they're going to swell up.
Oh.
3/4 of the way full. It's okay. It's okay. I just remembered that. And then Leo's over here
Everything's wrecking down.
in his virtual reality.
No, save the balloon.
Gavin,
What?
you're on camera.
Dear, be
Smile.
free.
You're on
Be
camera.
free, little balloon. Be free.
What's this game you're playing?
Like blast.
Blast to the past.
Blast to the past.
Blast the past.
Okay. Sounds like a blast.
Oh, the puns.
And meanwhile, back at the cupcake factory.
Wait, I got a hot dog with a straw in it.
It's a hot
It's a hot dog.
Surprise, we may not have enough batter, girl.
hottie.
Oh, we'll
It's
fill
a
up
hot
the
dog.
rubber ones then.
Dynamite.
Silicone.
It's hot dog and dynamite.
Gavin, go do this. It's gonna start to get destroyed.
Now what if the
Wait.
building falls down?
Alright, I'm just gonna try filling up the other ones. Yeah. Not gonna be able to fill up anymore.
Like you could probably like fly. No, you could probably fly.
Okay. Now, I'm going to turn it off.